Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Alright guys, welcome back to Daily Kotoko. So today we are going to be talking about different things. First of all, we are going to talk about Kotoko players that have been called up to the Black Stars B. Richard Attoh was called up to the Black Stars B. Felix Annan was called. Emmanuel Jimfi was called. Justice Blay, Augustine Okra, Patrick Yeboah, and Felix Annan. They were included in the Black Stars B squad to play against Burkina Faso in their qualifier game coming up next month. So I think it was due to the impressive performance in the Kano Pillars game, and Maxwell Konado, the Black Stars B coach, has decided to include them in his plans for the next month's qualifier. Talk about match observations. If you're a Kotoko fan, you should be happy now because of the Sunday victory that took place in the Awaya Stadium. We beat Kano Pillars 2-0 to qualify to the next stage of the competition. And I asked you guys to tell me what I should talk about, and some people have sent me their match observations, and we are going to talk about them right now. The first match observation here is from James Park Daniels Anoche. He said that he talked about the pennant. He said there is something I've observed about Kotoko. It looks as if we don't have a pennant which we exchange with our opponents anytime we are playing international matches. It happened yesterday against Kano Pillars. Kano Pillars presented theirs to Felix, but we didn't have. So please talk to the management to get us one so we can be more professional. James, if you've been watching, you noticed that in the CAF Confederation Cup we had a pennant, and I was also surprised that Felix Annan didn't give out Kotoko pennant against the Kano Pillars match. I hope anyone from the club watching this should do something about that, because Kotoko is a big club and we should be more professional about issues like this. Then the second comment here is talking about is Kwabena Stone Opoku. He talked about his concerns, or he expressed his concerns about the Kotoko app, Kotoko Express app. Yeah, me too. A lot of people were complaining on Twitter and they were sending messages that the Kotoko Express app was not working and the management should do something about it to fix it, because they couldn't watch the live stream of the game on Sunday and they've experienced some difficulties, and they said the live stream was very slow, and I hope the management put more efforts into this to make it more easy to access and reliable in times of important matches like this. So I hope the management do something about it also. Then the next person we have is Asante Yeboah. He said, I want to know why the players were not having their names on the jersey. I don't know much about that, but I feel that the jersey was brought in few weeks ago, should I say few weeks ago, and I don't think they have a fixed number for the players, and that's why it has taken a lot of time to print their names on the jersey. So I think in due course they are going to rectify that as soon as possible, so the jersey and the names will be rectified very soon. I think so. Then someone asked about Maxwell Bako. Someone asked, yes, Joseph Aban asked of Maxwell Bako. He asked, please, where is Kotoko Messi? I mean Bako. Bako is still recovering from injury. Him and Yakuba are currently recovering from injury. During the preparation for the Kano Pillars match, you can see both of them training separately as they try to make a recovery back to full fitness as soon as possible. So I hope both of them will be fit for our next game against the North African side. So I think that's all for the match observations, and we are going to go to the next part of today's show, which is match review and ratings. So the match review, I can tell you that the defense improved very well. I was very pleased with the defense. You know, Epem Da Costa and Habib Mohamed partnered in the first leg in the centre back. We considered 3 goals, and Coach Jetil Zakariasin switched back and brought Jimambado and Habib Mohamed and pushed Epem Da Costa to the right back, and they played very well, and I was pleased with their performance. And so Naby Keita also played very well. I was pleased with Naby Keita's performance. He linked to the midfield and tried to create chances for the wingers and also for Richard Attoh. Then we also have Samuel Frimpong has been playing very well. He covered some spaces in the midfield area, and he received the praise of Coach Jetty Zachariasen, who has moved him from his natural right back position to the midfield position. Okay, Naby Keita, I talked about. Naby Keita, he collected a red card, a senseless red card, which will see him miss our next game. Apart from that, he played very well, but that red card was so unnecessary. So I felt that he played well until the red card. Then another thing to notice, we noticed in the match, is that Richard Arthur played very well, but he needs to do more. He needs to link up with Naby Keita very much. You can see that Naby Keita is a very, very, very good striker, and he has an instincts of a great striker and can link up. You see what Olivier Giroud does for Chelsea and what he did for Arsenal. I think Naby Keita can do that. A perfect link-up striker. He can link up, attack with anybody, the wingers or the striker or the midfielders, anyone that comes close to him. He can give the pass, he can position well and all that. So I feel that he should improve more and start scoring goal and try to understand the players, and I also hope the players will understand him too. So that's all for the match review, and I felt that Felix Anna was on holiday, of course. He's a captain, and his captain, where I think I saw a place where he was telling Habib Mohamed to come back. I think Habib Mohamed was going to head the ball. I think Kotoko was two goals up. Yeah, the closing moments of the game, he was moving forward to head the ball. The keeper was shouting at him, telling him to come back, and I feel that he is a good captain. Even though it's a new role to him, he has been the vice captain. Now it's a new role, so I feel that he's improving and he's going to get very better. So that's all for the match review. The next one we're going to now is the player ratings. Let's see about that. Alright, for my player ratings, I'm giving Felix 6 out of 10. He was good. He was on a holiday. He didn't make too much save, but he commanded the defense, so he didn't do much, so I'll give him 6. Then Patrick Yeboah was solid. He was very good, and he was good defensively and going forward, so I give him 7.5. Ajimambado, I give him 7. He looked shaky at times, but used his experience very well to prevent Kano Pillars from scoring. Then Habib Mohamed, I give him 7.5. He improved very well from the last game and won many aerial duels and commanded the defense also. Pem Da Costa, 7.5. He was solid in his new role and I won't be surprised if he continues to play the right wing, because he has impressed. He played very well in that right wing position. And then we have Justice Blay, 9 over 10. He was my man of the match. He was everywhere. He tackled, he intercepted, he did everything, and I felt that Kotoko should make his loan deal permanent because he is a very good player. Then we have Samuel Frimpong. He covered the midfield well and gave support to the attack. Then we have Kevin and Samuel Frimpong. I give him 7 actually, 7. Kevin Ando, I give him 7.5. He got the goal, fell back to help the defense in times of need. Then Emmanuel Jimfi, I give him 8 over 10. He caused the problems in the right wing. He was a nightmare to the Kano Pillars left back. He caused problems in the right wing and also scored the second goal. Naby Keita, I give him 7.5. He played very well and provided the assist for the second goal. The only thing about Naby Keita was the red card, the unnecessary red card he took. The first yellow card was he took off his shirt. He thought he scored a goal, but they cancelled it for an offside, and he took off his shirt and he was carded for that. The second yellow card was he was wasting time, and the referee thought that he was intentionally wasting time, and he gave him another yellow card, and he got the red, and he will definitely miss our next game. Then last year, 6.5, Richard Arthur, he missed a glorious chance, a very glorious chance. He did well, but he should learn how to be clinical up front. So that's all for now. That's all for today, and I'm going to be posting more videos in the week. So if you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time to subscribe to get more news in Asante Kotoko. So if you haven't seen the other videos, please go and watch as they'll come up top here, and That's all for now. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.